The fall season is rapidly approaching here in western New York, which means apple cider, pumpkins, changing leaves, and of course all of the harvest and Halloween themed excitement. Although it's the beginning of October, the weather is warm and beautiful today, so we decided to join our family in visiting a nearby corn maze. Located outside of Delevan, New York, the Bliss family, along with their friends, have worked all summer long to design a massive corn maze, as well as other fun family activities.
Number 21.
The corn maze itself, which is cut into a fantastic aerial image, is full of hidden signs with trivia about farming, as well as a scavenger hunt, in which participants receive a chance in a drawing to win tickets for next year. Gallons of gas, sounds about right.
I'm surprised that we didn't put it down everything to that end. No, I know.
Do you want to double back and explore into the spots we didn't see?
I'm good.
And where are the
You
boys?
Go ahead. I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, there's the boys.
I'm too short. I can't see him. Oh.
Where's Mason?
After the corn maze is a path through a sunflower field.
Looks like they're getting towards the end of the season, unfortunately, on these sunflowers. Or maybe season's just started. I don't know anything about sunflowers.
Unfortunately, we caught it at the end of the sunflower season, so we didn't get to experience them in their full majesty, but it does give us something more to look forward to for next year.
That's insane.
Pollinating? Yep, pollinating.
population. You did really well.
I bet this looked awesome when they were in season. Very good.
Dude, since when can you like?
She got cholesterol.
I know, that's what I mean. Like this.
I can't read like a bunch of letters slammed together.
You just did. What do you mean?
Like,
I can't read a bunch of letters crammed together. You just did. No, I want to know when you learned how to read things that you didn't know how to read before.
She's in the 3rd grade now.
Okay, but it's baby. It's like one of my kids gives me this now. I'm like, good. And then when I go to like the farm, they're like, oh, it's red. Oh, you red, orange, and purple.
So what did you think of the corn maze?
awesome, very, very fun getting lost. Bottle flip.
After walking the mazes, parents can sit and unwind while the kids play in a giant sand, or should we say, corn box. Pumpkin bowling, tic-tac-toe with gourds, and a few friendly animals round out the day perfectly. As the afternoon draws to an end here at the Bliss family farms, the consensus from everyone confirms we'll be coming back next year.
So what did you think of the maze?
It was fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
This has been Out and About with Killr Climbers. Be sure to follow us as we show you more fun and interesting places around the region.